In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a management report using Intuit's QuickBooks step by step. This guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly, even if you're not familiar with the software. To begin our journey, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. It's the starting point for all your accounting needs and your gateway to generating comprehensive management reports. Once you've logged into your account, locate and click on Management Reports. This section is a vital part of QuickBooks, designed to give you powerful insights into your business's performance through detailed reports. Once you're in the Management Reports section, your next step is to click on the Plus Management Report button. This is where you can start crafting your custom reports, tailored to meet the specific needs of your business. Now, let's add a title to your report. A clear and descriptive title is essential, as it helps you and anyone examining the report understand its purpose at a glance. Be specific and concise, choosing a title that reflects the content and time frame of the report. Following this, it's time to add details to your report. This is where you will input the necessary financial data and other relevant information that you want to include in your report. Consider what aspects are most crucial for your business analysis. Is it profit and loss, a balance sheet summary, or perhaps a cash flow statement? Customizing the details ensures that your report is comprehensive and relevant to your business needs. After filling in the details, the next step is to save your work by clicking the Save button. It's always a good practice to save your progress regularly to prevent any data loss. With your report saved, you're now ready to preview it. Previewing allows you to examine your report in its final form, just as it will appear once finalized. It's a great opportunity to double-check for accuracy and completeness before sharing it with stakeholders or using it for further business analysis. This process of creating and customizing management reports in QuickBooks provides you with the tools to keep a close eye on your business's financial health. Being able to generate such detailed reports at your fingertips helps in making informed business decisions and planning strategically for the future. Thanks for joining in today. I hope this guide has been instrumental in enhancing your QuickBooks experience. By mastering these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming more efficient and effective in managing your business finances. Feel free to replay any section of this video if you need to go through the steps again or make notes as you follow along. Happy reporting and best of luck in your financial management tasks.